Today we're going to talk about asset allocation. So what does it actually mean? It's just the amount of money you actually allocate to the different investment classes. And generally speaking, there's 5 different investment classes. The first one is cash, the second one is fixed interest, which could be corporate bonds for instance. The next is property, then shares, and then specialities, which generally include things like commodities or, for instance, gold would be a good example. And the next thing you've got to look at is saying, well, what sort of risk profile are you? Are you a defensive investor, or are you more of an aggressive investor? If you are more a defensive investor, generally speaking, you'll be quite conservative and you most likely be in retirement or close to it. And if you're more aggressive, you might be a higher income earner, got quite a bit of time for retirement, and maybe have quite a large investment portfolio. And as you can see from the diagram, the more aggressive you are, the less cash you hold, the less fixed interest you hold, and the more property, shares, and specialities you hold. These 3 investments here, generally speaking, are more volatile and they have a higher risk, but they also have a higher long-term return, whereas cash and fixed interest are a lower risk, but also have a lower return. So it's just a matter of working for yourself, working out what risk profile you are, and then trying to work out how much you want to allocate to the different investment assets.